definitely took the wrong road. Keep going, old girl.
Mate, do you know where the f you're going?
No idea, mate. You?
No f***ing clue.
Excuse me, sir. License and registration, please.
Whilst we've got Sasha here, Sasha is also the reason that we built this door, because as you can see, it's quite difficult to get Sasha in the back seat from the front. So this door was actually made for Sasha to get in and out of. Whee! And whether he likes it or not is another question. He seems to like it, but unfortunately this car is not as family friendly as we'd like it to be, even after, you know, trying to do all these things to it. So unfortunately she's got to go. So as a bit of a walk around on this, so this window has just been cut out here, all the way up here. And what I've done is I've attached a hinge to the back side of it and just siliconed in between, and basically that hinge goes all the way across, and it's being held in by these metal brackets here, and they're clipped into a bit of wood to give it a bit of a flat spot, because the back of this fiberglass isn't very straight at all. So I just had to sort of fill in the back end. And then underneath we've got bolts under this piece of rubber that stops the rain coming through. We've got bolts coming through to the outside of the fiberglass. And then we've got this little handle that acts as a support. I put a gas strut in, but it was just too powerful to hold the fiberglass in. So this is just hooked into one of the spots that the canopy is supposed to fit into. And then to lock it in place, we've just got a little latch here that clips onto this. Nothing special, nothing insane. Definitely not robber proof, but it was a fun little project to try out. Do I take it to 400,000? Or should I set it on fire?